Why permanently delete social media accounts?
Deleting your social media accounts can help protect your privacy, reduce unwanted data collection, and give you more control over your digital footprint. It means your profile, posts, photos, and other data are removed from the platform. This step can bring peace of mind if you're concerned about online security or simply want a fresh start.
What should I do before deleting my account?
Back up any important data, such as photos, videos, or messages you wish to keep. Inform friends or contacts about your decision, if needed. Double-check linked apps or services that use your social account for login, and update your credentials for those services. Consider reviewing the platform's policies on account deletion and data retention.
How do I delete my Facebook account?
Go to Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Under your Facebook information, select Deactivation and Deletion. Choose Delete Account and follow the prompts. Facebook gives you a window to cancel deletion, so don't log in during this period if you wish the process to complete. Download a copy of your data before starting, if desired.
How do I delete my Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok accounts?
For Instagram, visit the Delete Your Account page while logged in and follow the instructions. For Twitter, go to Settings, select Deactivate Your Account, and confirm. TikTok users can go to Manage Account in the app's settings and choose Delete Account. Each platform may keep data briefly after deletion, so check their policies.
Are there any extra steps for security?
After deletion, clear saved logins and cookies from your devices. Consider updating passwords for other services that used your social media account. It may take some time for your data to disappear from web search results. If you have trouble deleting an account, contact the platform's support for assistance with the process.